Hi, my name is Jamie Farfan. My English activity is step 3, activity, travel itinerary. Introduction of the place. Cartagena is a Colombian city located in the north of the department of Bolívar on the shore of the Caribbean Sea. It is a unique and beautiful city, completely different from the rest, with a lot of history. Its street is weather is good, and although you may encounter a little rain, it's a normally hot and humid place, so you can enjoy it much more the refreshing and beautiful beaches that the city can offer to its visitors. Cartagena is a place where you can enjoy beautiful landscapes, luxurious hotels, and high-level gastronomy. Duration of the trip. Sightseeing tour usually lasts for 3 days and 2 nights, where you can enjoy, for example, the beautiful hotel dam that includes a walk through the Wallet City, a visit to the aquarium, a visit to the island of Baru, and the San Felipe Coast. Means of transportation. Our agency offers transportation for outdoors for the visit to Baru, and the aquarium. The transportation is by boat. For the city tour, we offer carriage service for an additional cost. And to get to San Felipe Costa, we have private car service. Activities to do. In the addition to the destination included in the tours, you should visit the colonial area of the city and try some of the best restaurants in the town. You should also visit Getsemani. This is the oldest neighborhood in Cartagena. It is a very colorful neighborhood and very visited by tourists. Places to stay. We have different pleasant options to stay. You can choose between the Wallet City to sleep at the historic center, which is the most attractive area of Cartagena, or Boca Grande to stay near the beach. Typical food. The most consumed typical food because it's the seafood that mainly includes fish. So you can taste shellfish, fried fish such as mojarra, sierra, red snapper, and sea bass, among others, which are usually accompanied with coconut rice, fried plantains, and a delicious salad. Also, in the place is usual to taste a delicious or for breakfast, wonderful arepa. Because the normal package for a weekend has a cost of 500 of Colombian peso per person. The completed package for a week has a cost of 1 million Colombian peso per person, plus including tourist guide, discounts in hours hotels, and transportation. Thank you for your attention.